Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure the user administration in the AS level. If you are wonder how to manage your permissions, roles, and security in Siemens PCS 7, this video is for you. Whether you are the beginner or just need a refresh your skills, I will walk you throughout everything step by step. So let's start it. So in the our AS, you want to control your authentications and security through the AS at the block level. So we have there in the five different levels. In the previous tutorial videos, we learned like the process controlling, highest process controlling, and these all like OS level user administration will learn it. But in this tutorial video, we'll learn through how the block level, how we can configure the user authentications. So we have actually five different levels. Like you can see AS block 1, 2, 3. So we'll see shortly what all the default configuration already in the our block level. To check the block authorization level, we'll open any of our block, for example, level. Then I will open the level chart, and then here I have a monitoring block. I will right click and then object property. So click over iOS. So go here in the right side and just click it here over the second last column. So you can see the operator authorization level. So here you can see it's already like configured. This is the by default configuration for the level 2. So level 2, here I will just go down. Here you can see some of the setting for the level 3, like the higher process control and highest process control. Like in OS, like the we have the level 6 and for 2, and for level 3 we already configured 1100 for the level 3. So here you do not have to confuse it, like here you can see we have these block level like 1, 2, and 3. So wherever the is 2 is mean the in the OS level, like higher process control. If you want to enable it any of the setting, like you have to check in the block level. Okay? If you want to customize your configuration. So here I will go down few of the more setting. Okay, let's understand this concept with one of the example. Suppose I have here in my level transmitter right now I log in with the engineer one account, and this process value. Okay, this is just one of the example. This process value, like here right now with the engineer one account, I can easily modify it. I can change any of the value and accordingly it's reflecting it. Now I will create another account with engineer 2, and I want to eliminate like this account some of the permissions. Like I want this process value simulation only will I will able to change once I will log in through the engineer to a user, and I will give like some more advanced operating permissions to in the block level for this value. So let's see how we can configure it. So I will deactivate it. I'll stop. and I will come here, and then I will just search the simulation. This is the same block for the level that we are just now discussing. So level, I want to change the default authorization level. So here it is. Here, this is a simulation on and off. So you can see it's a level 3 at block level, and I want to change some other values like the simulation, simulate the value, simulation dot value. So this value, I will, like, it's already by default level 3, and I will put it for this like level 4. I'll modify this with level 4, and then select the 4 and press the enter. And so what this will do is simulate the value, whatever value we are. So I want okay only once the value is like the authorization level 4 is enabled, on that time only it will allow. So just click OK and close it. So now come here in the chart, right click, compile. So we did some changes. So we'll compile our project, and after that we'll download. Okay, changes only. Click OK. Now we'll compile our OS project. Click next, again next, and then click over the compile. Okay, click OK. Now we'll open our OS object. Right click, open the object. Now we'll open the user administrator. Click right click and open. So in our previous tutorial, we already created these user accounts. So right now, in engineer, I will create one more user. Click here, new user, and write the name of the new user, engineer 2, and then we will give the rights as we already give to engineer 1, and here it is. And we'll give one more extra uh, authorization level is 1101. Here you can see what is the difference between engineer 1 and engineer 2. Only the this advanced operation 1 difference. Why? Because the AS, so we configure in the AS block the authorization level 4, and that level 4 is is equivalent to the advanced operation 1. So that's why I enable it, and then I will set the password. I will just, for simplicity, I will put the same password, click OK, and then close it. And now I will run my. So I will write here like the engineer one, and I will put the same. So now I click over the mixer. Now I will click here. So if I will click it now here, you can see it's not allow me to modify the uh, simulation value. Yeah, but if you go here you can see I can change the simulation mode, but the level 1 engineer is not allow me to modify the engineering value. So let's change our user account. The, let me put engineer 2, copy and paste. Mm, if I click over the mixer now, here you can see, and now I have the engineer 2 account. And here, if I will click it now, now it's allow me to change or modify the value. Here you can see. So you see how we in the block level, how we change the authorization access, and Alhamdulillah, we learn how we can configure the administration at the AS or the block level. So like that, you can do some customization at the user administration level. So thanks for watching this video.